In the previous video, we did the basic structural setup for the wings and the stabilizers. So in this video, I'm going to be activating the control surfaces. So the first one I'm going to be looking at is the rudder. So I'm going to come here. Since I created it from the main menu, the rudder component has been activated. So I'm going to go into my body, then the control surfaces. I'm going to select the rudder game module, then try and see around which axis it rotates. So it's around Z axis. So my rudder rotates around Z axis. I'm going to select Z here, then the control hinge. Okay, what I'm going to do first is select all the 4 sections, because the surface affects all the subdivisions of the rudder itself. So I'm going to adjust this to match up with the line of the rudder, and I think it's all lined up now. Yes, so I can move away from this and go to the left stabilizer. Because I created this myself, the primary control surface has not been activated, so I'm going to activate the primary control surface. Since this is the stabilizer to be the elevator, I'm going to assign the left elevator game object and try and see the axis of rotation, that's X axis. Alright, so left stabilizer X axis, correct. The same thing I did for the rudder, that affects all the subdivisions of the aircraft. So I'm going to move the hinges to make sure that the whole elevator is covered. Alright, so this will be 35, 39 for perfect coverage. So I'm going to do the same setup. Activate this elevator, right elevator X, then 35, 39, then activate the subdivisions. Alright, so this is done. Then one thing you have to notice, for the perfect force to be applied from the left elevator, it is going to have to deflect in the opposite direction, because this is the right, the scaling that is used as a reference is +1, but the left stabilizer uses a negative rotation, so the deflection will have to be negative so that it would correlate with the right stabilizer. We'll have to test and see if the model has to rotate in the opposite direction also, but the deflection has to be negative. So we're done with the tail setup. Let's go to the wings. The right wing, I have to activate the primary control surface aileron, right aileron. It will be X axis rotation. So this will be 7, 8, 9. Those are the 3 sections that will be affected by the aileron. The rest will be affected by the flap. So I set this up. Let me zoom in just to get a good look at it. Okay, I think just a little bit more. So let's say 28 and 34. Now 35. Yes, 28, 35. So I do the same thing for the left wing, also left aileron. 28, 35. Then